Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on DOOGEE V40 Pro. So first, check the cable and the charger for any damage. And the cable is perfectly fine. So now, flip your phone right here, and on the bottom we have the charging port. Clean it with non-metallic tools, so like a Q-tips, wooden stick or compressed air would do. And you can test another fast charger or outlet to your phone, or test your charger and an outlet with another phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.